dent, more rust, dent, dent, and rust. This whole panel got be stripped down. Rust, 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 more rust. So thick of that. Just rust everywhere. Dents, big dent, 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 rust, dents, dents, rust, dent, dents and rust everywhere. It was another color right here. Stripping it down. It was real fine edge, well, thick edge. I'm stripping it down, 40 grit, real rough. But I see why it was like that. So you got the paint, then you got some primer, then you got like some white, thick layer of bondo. Then under that we're going back to some gray primer, and then you know down to the E-coat and all that stuff. But right here where I grind it, that's a lot of bondo. You can feel it, how I just transition, go down, then come back up, and then you up here on the hill, like on a plateau and down the valley. It's gonna need some serious body work right here. All work, all repaired, dents all fixed. Gonna guide code it, block it. Gotta fix this, but that was dirty, so degrease that. Then we're gonna repair that. Now, fixing all this surface rust. Take out that old body filler, repair that, get that in primer. And then guide coat that, block that, do another primer, and continue. rusty right there. Rusted down there. Right here was dented. Had dents all through there, but the body line was hit in. Rust all down there. All that was gone. New metal right there. New metal right there. Same with the other side. It was all rusty. New metal down there. New metal down there. It was all rusty. Dents and rust everywhere. The underside of them already painted, clear. It was nasty. Everything is straight. Big dent was down there. That's not. The roof, oh my God, ridiculous. This hood was a mess. It's back now. Real rusty. 1979 Honda Civic. The first year of the hatchback, I think. Rusted out. Now it's back. The rust doctor. Orlando, Florida, Central Florida. ThePaintGuy.com. Log on now. Like I said, it's the second coat. I'm gonna come with the third, maybe the final. And yes, this is the workstation. No wet sand, no buff. Straight out the booth, but it's dry. No wet sand, no buff. Put the little lights and stuff back in, mirrors and windows. No wet sand, no buff. Straight out the booth.